Well, welcome. So, this will probably be one of the last few videos of Philadelphia, but that's okay. Bigger, better things to come. Honestly, cannot wait. So, kind of wanted to follow up on a TikTok video that I did. The TikTok video was, how is it like to live next to a woodworker? Well, I think I topped that. How do you live next to a woodworker that's moving? And yeah, the goal is to shrink this back down into size so that I could ship it. So, bought this bag from Home Depot, just a king size bag, and I have literally reinforced every seam right here that I absolutely can with packing tape, and then I connected a hose to the seam, runs to a shop vac, and yeah, we'll see how it goes and see how long it goes. That's how you wrangle a mattress. Never again. Buy a new one. We're almost there. I'm literally going to wrap this plastic around it, and I'm thankfully done. It has been humbling, to say the least, that a mattress almost beat my butt. So, yeah, show you when it's all done.